everyone and welcome to my channel. Most of us have heard about different blood groups and Rh factor. There are Rh positive people who have antigen Rh factor on the cell membranes of the red blood cells. Most of the people are Rh positive and all the apes have this factor as well. But there is also about 15% of the white Caucasian people that lack this antigen and they are Rh negative. It's also commonly known that the body of the Rh-negative mother rejects the Rh-positive fetus, but this can be avoided by vaccinating the mother with Rh immunoglobulin. First pregnancy is usually in no danger, but risks grow in the following pregnancies. Mainstream science and media explains the lack of antigen as a random mutation, but studies tell us that genetic differences are much bigger and they even indicate to a totally different path of evolution or creation. Previously it was assumed that Rh proteins are expressed only in the membranes of red blood cells and their immediate precursors. However, scientists have found Rh proteins also in other tissues including the kidney, liver, brain and skin. That is, Rh-negative people have different proteins also in their brains among many other organs. So there are different proteins also in the brains of Rh-negative and Rh-positive people. The International ENCODE project has found that about a fifth of the human genome regulates the 2% that makes proteins. A fifth of the human genome. In other words, Rh-negative Caucasian people have very likely at least a fifth of their genome different to Rh-positive people. This is really significant difference. They have also different amino acids and nucleotides which indicate differences in RNA. RNA in turn is a polymeric molecule essential in coding and decoding of genes. Proof of ancient intelligent life prior to Rh-positive ape humans? Oh yes, we have plenty of them. Here we have one of the many giant fossils which could be ancestors of Rh-negative people. This fossil seen on the left is located in Calvinia, South Africa. The length of this fossil is about 385 meters. Calvinian bedrock is dated to the Proterozoic Iron, thus we can assume that these remnants are about 2 billions of years old. All of these ancient remnants and fossils, together with numerous significant differences in Rh-negative genes, indicate strongly to a distinct history and evolution or creation path. Sumerians' ruling class was Rh-negative, as was the ruling class of ancient Egypt as well. Sumerians called Enlil as their father and the creator of agriculture. Enlil was described as the benevolent and powerful king of all the gods in the Sumerian pantheon. The sacred city of Nibiru was dedicated to him. Curiously, Nibiru means descendants.